Uh, Most people don't realize that preheating an oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit is a ritual almost as old as baking itself. It's a non-negotiable step that ensures even cooking, but it's often overlooked um, by busy cooks. Temperature precision matters. First, locate your oven's manual. Surprisingly, they vary across brands, almost like languages, and deciphering them can sometimes feel like solving a riddle. If yours is missing, a quick online search usually provides a digital version. This is where you start. Begin by placing the oven rack in the desired position. Always consider what you're cooking. The middle rack typically gives the best all-around results, but moving it up or down a notch can affect the heat exposure for specific recipes. Once your rack is set, turn your oven dial or buttons to 350 degrees. This seems simple, but some newer models require a different approach. Don't be fooled by fancy controls. Just aim for precision. A single variation can alter your bake. Wait, did you start a timer?
Many ovens beep when they reach the desired temperature, but not all.
A trusty kitchen timer ensures you don't jump the gun. And real pros know ovens aren't perfect. Mine sometimes takes 10-15 minutes, even though it says ready earlier. During this preheat period, resist the urge to multitask too aggressively. Ever been halfway through 10 things and forgotten about preheating? Oh, the horror. Multitasking's great, but give your oven some dedicated attention at least once. Um, Here's something neat. Invest in an oven thermometer. They only cost around $10, but ensure your oven's actual temperature matches the dial. It's an inexpensive way to sidestep many cooking disasters. Mine saved countless meals after moving to Portland's humid climate using an older oven. You might encounter hot spots, a phenomenon where certain oven areas heat more than others. To combat this, rotating your cookware halfway through cooking ensures your dish cooks evenly. It's an old baker's trick, but effective. Did you know it's not just about heating the oven? The real magic happens when both the air and the metal walls hit 350. This creates a stable environment for your culinary masterpiece. Just rushing here without heating the walls can lead to uneven results. Here's a pro tip: use the preheat time wisely. This is an ideal window for prepping your ingredients. And we sort of see, often we think about a meal in divided segments, but everything overlaps. Just like life, make use of those 15 minutes to maximize efficiency. Feeling impatient, never place your dish inside before reaching 350. Sure, you might shave off 2 minutes, but you'll sacrifice texture and pace. And patience is truly a virtue here. It's something I remind myself often in Portland's drizzly mornings. Lastly, remember, every oven is unique, like people. They have quirks and personalities. Understanding yours can make all the difference in baking success. And if preheating isn't just mundane preparation, it's a dialogue with your appliance. Engage every time, and